The way I've been influenced, guys. Okay, I saw this TikTok and I immediately put a Target order in. Okay, so this girl was talking about how she stayed in an Airbnb like a week and they had the best smelling sheets and towels ever that she had ever smelled. They lasted like the whole entire week and she just kept talking and raving about how freaking good the laundry smelled. So she went into the laundry room and took pictures of everything and ordered it all off of Target and then tested it, and this is it. This is the recipe for the best smelling laundry ever. So you have to get the Moonlight Breeze Gain, the Moonlight Breeze Dryer Sheets, Downy Ocean Mist scent beads, the Downy Rinse and Refresh, and the Ocean Mist also. Also, she said that there's the whites, like the sheets and the towels were literally like immaculate, perfectly white, and OxiClean White Revive in there. There was no bleach, just this. So she bought this also and used it and said that her sheets were so noticeably whiter than they were before. Get all the things. Thank God for Target delivery because I'm doing it. I'm gonna get my clothes and everything smelling freaking amazing. So I'll report back and let you know how it goes.